Last month, I stopped doing my own operations work entirely. Claude runs my screen, clicks the buttons, fills the forms. I just watch it happen now. This AI agent handles every multi-step ops task unattended, freeing up over 15 hours a week and cutting $4,000 in monthly hiring costs. Here's exactly what this looks like in action and why it's the game changer no small business owner should ignore. Operations work, data entry, form filling, cross-checking spreadsheets eats up at least 15 hours each week for 83% of small business owners. That's nearly 2 full days wasted every single week just managing busy work. Hiring an operations assistant costs on average $3,500 monthly, not including onboarding or management time. Most solopreneurs can't afford that, so they stay stuck doing tedious, repetitive tasks themselves, burning out and losing focus on growth. The cost? Thousands of lost revenue hours and missed opportunities each month. Ignoring this means sinking deeper into overwhelm and inefficiency every quarter. After automating my entire ops workflow with Claude, I saved over 15 hours weekly and eliminated the need for a $4,000 monthly hire. Thousands of small business owners using AI agents report similar results: complete tasks, error-free, unattended, and faster. This isn't theory. It's battle-tested automation that turns complex multi-step operations into seamless processes. No coding needed, no expensive software, just the AI agent doing the work while you focus elsewhere. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your first Claude AI ops agent that completes complex workflows with 0 manual clicks. You'll learn the 3 highest impact tasks to automate that consume 60% of your week. You'll see how to set error handling guardrails that slash failed runs by 90%. And finally, you'll understand how to scale from just one workflow to fully automating your entire ops function, usually within 30 days. Step 1. Understand what computer use means now. Claude AI operates as an autonomous agent that executes multi-step operational tasks entirely unattended. That means 0 manual clicking, no watchful oversight. The AI reads, clicks, inputs, and cross-checks all by itself. To get started, identify a repetitive ops task that includes multiple steps, like submitting forms, updating spreadsheets, or data reconciliation. Claude then runs a script interpreting your instructions and interacts with your screen just like a human would, but faster and without errors. Skipping this means you're stuck manually doing tasks that this AI can finish 3 times faster. Step 2. Setting up your first Claude workflow. Start by choosing a simple ops process you do daily. Use Claude's drag-and-drop interface to map each step, from opening your CRM, pulling customer data, filling forms, to saving confirmation receipts. The key is to break down tasks into clear, sequential actions for Claude to execute. Most users get their first working workflow live in under 45 minutes. Once activated, Claude runs these steps unattended, freeing you immediately. This setup uses AI's ability to mimic human interaction with your apps, eliminating manual effort and human error simultaneously. Third, focus your automation on the 3 ops tasks that consume 60% of your typical ops week. First, data entry. Claude can pull info from emails or spreadsheets and input it into your CRM automatically. Second, form filling, such as order processing or client intake forms, which Claude completes with 0 errors. Lastly, spreadsheet cross-checking. Claude compares data across sheets to flag inconsistencies instantly. For example, I automated my customer onboarding process. Claude reads new client emails, extracts details, fills intake forms, and updates records, saving me 10 hours weekly just on this one task. Next, handle errors and edge cases with built-in guardrails. Claude lets you set conditions that pause automation when unexpected inputs or errors occur. For instance, if a form field is missing or data mismatches happen, Claude alerts you and stops the run instead of producing faulty outputs. These guardrails cut failed runs by 90%, protecting your business from costly mistakes. Connecting error handling ensures your AI agent operates reliably and lets you intervene only when necessary, maintaining full control without manual micromanagement. Once you implement this system, your business shifts dramatically. Imagine reclaiming 15+ hours weekly while eliminating $4,000 in ops staff costs. Tasks that once consumed your days now execute flawlessly on autopilot. Your focus moves to growth activities, client relationships, and strategy. Most users automate their entire ops role within 30 days, gaining consistent, error-free workflows that scale with their business. Success isn't just time saved, it's the freedom and clarity you gain to grow smarter, faster, and stress-free. Now it's your turn. Comment ops below and I'll send you my free Claude Business Starter Kit. 25 copy-paste prompts to build your first workflows faster than ever. No fluff. Just plug-and-play scripts used by hundreds of small business owners to save thousands monthly. One action, comment ops. That's it. Get your free starter kit and start reclaiming your time today.